What is out of order? Give Wanjala.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the person who is accused, whom we are debating, was supposed to be here by 5. It is 7 minutes past 5.
He actually is.
Mr. Speaker, can we bar him from coming because
Order,
he's late?
Wanjala, he's already here. Yes. Migori Women Rep. Give to Fatuma. I look for you to speak. You had gone out.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Kindly protect me, Mr. Speaker. I can't be heard, Mr. Speaker.
Order.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Order. Order.
Excuse me, Honorable Member. Please give me time to speak.
Order.
Mr. Speaker, thank you for the opportunity you have given me. And as I stand here as a Muslim, I don't know when I'll die. In case I die before the impeachment time, I vote yes, Gachagua must go. Mr. Speaker, I will take you to the Bible, Proverbs 23, 10 verse 11. And it says, please keep quiet. And it says, don't move an old stone that marks a border, and don't take fields that belong to the orphans. God, their defender, is strong. He will take their side against you. I want Gachagua to know, the former deputy president of Kenya should know that when you touch anything of the orphans, it is not Kenya Kwanza, it is not Azimio, but it is God Almighty that will put the fire on you. I will return to the Quran. The Holy Quran in Surah An-Nisa said, surely those who eat up property of the orphans unjustly,